Yeah, yeah. Young Rick, you already know how I do. Slick Rick. I'm the next Slick Rick, so I might as well put this out there. You know what I mean? Yeah.
Here we
Uh,
go.
Take a nigga life, then his life is over. Niggas wanna talk till I'm in the Chevy Nova. Rick laid back, something like it's over. Then I hit you with the bomb, yeah, it's over. Nigga, I'm iced out like a cold shoulder. And my ice is bipolar. Nigga, straight solar. Nigga, I'm a straight boulder. You can't move me, niggas can't touch me. Niggas wanna talk and your girl wanna fuck me. Nigga, I'm getting them dollars. Niggas wanna talk, yeah, they girl tryna holler. Nigga getting drunk cause I should get by the bottle. Nigga, you already know motto. Nigga can't talk cause my getting wasted. Nigga so gone that his mouth can't taste it. Then I come through killing the whole game and then I get your girl beat it out the frame. Beast untamed, don't complain. Nigga getting high cause I'm flying on a plane. Nigga, have your girl praying. Then I have her in the room, body just laying. Gun just spraying, my dick stay out. Niggas wanna talk, yeah, she eat it for child. And then I bring the beat back and bring it all up. And then I get drunk cause I gotta pour a cup. Then I'm getting drunk cause that's enough. Then I go home. Then I get a brunch. Then I gotta eat cause I'm getting down. Niggas wanna talk cause I gotta get the chrome. Then I'm kicking hard in zone. Then I gotta do it cause you know I gotta kill it. I reel it. In the weed, I deal it. Niggas wanna talk in the pussy, I spill it. It's wet on the ground, it's wet in the bed, it's wet on the couch, it's wet everywhere. Nigga, I think I need a chair. Nigga, I'm a beast and I'm a bear. Nigga, nigga, werewolf. Niggas wanna talk. Hillary Duff, I got that white girl selling to the white man. Niggas wanna talk, kick you like Jackie Chan. Nigga, I'm hotter than your pan. Nigga, I pop you where you stand. Stay in line like a crayon. Niggas wanna talk, yeah, I'm about to souffle on. Nigga got the swagger. Niggas wanna talk, but these niggas can't brag her. I'm coming out today cause a nigga like Jordan. You ain't even important. Drinks just pouring. Nigga, I'm soaring. Nigga, I run all day, I'm enduring. I run your city, I run your whole block. Nigga gotta watch, but I ain't even on the clock. You niggas need to stop cause I'm Slick Rick. Knock him out the box. Knock him out the box. Knock him out the box. Yeah.